welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chica and it has been a long time since I have done a long form content. I realized that over the last maybe 2-3 months, I've been getting like a consistent amount of subscriptions. I don't know where it's coming from, but welcome to all my new subscribers. And it kind of felt like, okay, I should probably do a longer form content. So the goal of my channel was to make it about like my music, DIY lifestyle, and I have definitely failed on the long form content part of it, but I feel like I post a good amount of shorts. A lot of times I think my content that gets the most engagements are my DIY content, but I really want it to be my music content, people, please. But yeah, but today I'm gonna focus more on the lifestyle since gardening is a part of my lifestyle. I like to garden. Starting this month or next, I'm gonna be working on building a raised bed garden, but that's not what we're gonna talk about today. We're gonna talk about a very simple way to start gardening if you don't want to mess with soil, because you can grow without soil if you did not know that. So I'm gonna be working with this. It is called an Aero Garden. I think it's the idea of like hydroponics gardening, if I'm saying that correctly. But my sister got this for me during Christmas last year, and I just finally opened it. And so I'm going to show you guys how to set it up and what's inside this box. Let's get to it. It's supposed to be a more convenient way of gardening, especially for beginners. I have grown in soil. I currently have some vegetables growing in soil, but I wanted to try this at least to give a head start for my herbs and vegetables before I transport them into the garden. So it only uses water and an energy efficient LED grow light, and I'm really excited to try it. It came with this thing right here. So you have the container where your water goes, and it has 6 little pods where you put your pallets, your seed pallets, if that's what they're called. It came with 6 seeded pod kits for herbs, which included mint, thyme, dill, and a couple other things that I'm gonna put in the description box, as well with another 6-pod heirloom cherry tomatoes, which I did not plant in this one, but I'm going to use it another time once this is done growing. So today I'm just doing the herbs just to get started and see how this works. This is what the pods look like, and they have this cover on top of them that has the name of the herb, and it also tells you not to take it off because it prevents like bacteria growth in it. The setup is really easy. You place the water container and plug it to the standing base, and then you're gonna fill it up with water, and there's a line on the inside that tells you to what point you need to add the water to. You add your pods, and then you're gonna go ahead and cover them with this dome cover that came in the kit, and I believe it's there to kind of keep the moisture trapped inside. I'm not quite sure, but it said to cover it. The instructions said to cover the pods. The kit also comes with liquid plant food that you're gonna add to your water, and I believe it's 2 capfuls that you repeat every 2 weeks when you change the water every 2 weeks. I'm really excited to see how this works because I'm also going to be starting a raised garden bed in my backyard. I haven't figured out what's going to be in there, but I'm going to start that and possibly transport these into the garden bed. If you are new to gardening, I highly recommend this just because it seems so easy. It's super convenient. All you gotta do is put some water, put the pods, turn the lights on, and it does its thing. You just gotta change out the water every 2 weeks, and you're gonna watch your herb garden grow, but in the comfort of your house without soil or anything. This particular grow garden was bought from Sam's Club during the Christmas time, so I'm not sure if it's still available or at your local Sam's Club, but I'm gonna link some Amazon options in the description, and I will see you in the next video.